Good morning.
Good morning.
A very good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
Sir, fantastic.
Sir,
हाँ जी बेटा.
sir, have you noticed someone in class?
Notice. अच्छा निशु. ओहो. Good
Sir,
morning.
see.
Sir, due
Yes,
to
sir.
COVID, I was not able to come. Sir, I was 2 times positive.
You were positive because of COVID.
Yes, sir. Yes,
How
sir.
are you
Sir,
now?
2 times.
How are
Yes,
you
sir.
now? Fine.
So
All
fine.
okay, and everyone fine in the family also.
Yes, sir. So they were so fine because they got their vaccines. Like they were both vaccinated. So
Okay.
it was just a
So are you 100% fit now?
yes, sir. This time it came negative.
Okay, very good. चलो अच्छी बात है. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so all of you, can you all please start a video? We are on exercise 20E.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But sir, please wait. I'm taking my notebook and book.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. We have done till question number 8, 9, or 7.
Sir, I think
We have done
Sir,
till.
let me check. Sir,
We
question
have
number
done.
7.
We have not
Yes,
done
sir,
8.
we have done. And question number 8.
We have to do question 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 8. How long will a man take to make a round of a circular field of radius?
so we have done it.
Question 9.
So we have to start from
Yes,
9.
sir, done. Sorry.
That's what I was thinking that we have done it. Question 9.
Yes,
I think
sir,
I think we have done question 9 also.
No, sir, question number 9 is not
No,
done.
sir,
Question
not
number 8
9.
is done.
Okay, it was done in 7th A, I think yesterday. Yeah. Question 9. A racetrack is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is 528 meters. Okay. Racetrack is in the form of a ring. Now, what is a ring? See, when there are two concentric circles like this, so these are two concentric circles. It is looking like a ring, am I right? This part,
Yes, sir.
it's looking like a ring, right? Okay. So concentric circles means the circles with same center. If two circles have the same center, suppose O is the center of both the circles in this case, then the two circles will be called as concentric circles. Remember this term, concentric. Okay. So these are concentric circles. So it is looking like a ring now. So this is a racetrack. You all must have seen racetracks. Okay. So the inner circumference, that means the circumference of the inner part of the ring, inner circle, smaller circle, circumference C1 is given 528 meters. The circumference of the outer ring C2 is also given
616 meters.
616 meters. Okay. We have to find the width of the track. The width of the track means this thickness of the track. Yeah. Are you getting the point? This thickness of the track is known as the width. So this is the width of the track, W. Now how can we find the width of the track? There is a method of finding the width, very easy. This is radius of outer circle, am I right?
Yes,
This
sir.
and this is
Yes.
radius of inner circle, right? So OA,
Sure,
if I
sir,
name
we
this point
have.
as A, this is radius of outer circle, and if I name this point as B, so this is OB is the radius of inner circle. OA is radius of outer circle and OB is radius of inner circle. So if I subtract the radius of inner circle from the radius of outer circle, I will get the width. Am I right? What is width? Width is this.
Yes.
So if I subtract inner radius from outer radius, I will get the width of the track. So width is equals to R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. This is the width of the track. R2 is outer radius, R2, and R1 is inner radius. This is R1. Okay. So let's do it. We can find R2 and R1 using the circumferences of the two circles. C1 is given 5 to 8. What is the formula of circumference? Everyone.
Sir, 2 pi r.
2
Sir,
pi
2 pi r.
2 pi r. In this case, I will use R1 because it is the circumference of inner circle. So I'm using R1 symbol. Equals to 5 to 8. 2 into 22 upon 7 into R1 is equal to 528. So R1 is equal to 528 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Okay. So what will you get after simplifying? Twelve into 7. That means 84 meters. 84 meter. Very big. Is it 84? All of you?
Sir, just a second.
Yeah, 84. It will be 84. So if you simplify, you will get radius of inner circle as 84 meters. Okay. Now let us find the circumference of sorry, radius of outer circle. C2 is 616. So formula of C2 is 2 pi R2 equals to 616. 2 into 22 upon 7 into R2 is equal to 616. R2 is equal to 616 into 7. Same method. I hope you all are getting it. I am doing the first question of this type for you, helping you out in this. Next question I will expect that you all will do yourself. So when you simplify this, you will get 98 meters. Okay. So these are the radii of the two circles, R1 and R2. Now the width of the track. As we discussed that the width will be R2 minus R1. So let's calculate it. 98 minus 84. 14 meters is the width of the track. This is the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please note down the question.
So it is an easy question,
Hmm.
but somewhat tricky.
So just making the diagram.
Done?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, like next question. I hope everyone has noted the question in the copy now.
So done.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10. I will just explain the question. Okay. Okay, I will ask any one of you to please try to explain the question. Okay. So, um, okay, Sarah, read the question and try to explain.
Okay, sir. The inner circumference of a circle track is
Circular
330
track.
meters. Yes, sir.
The inner circumference of a circular track is 330 meter and
The track is 10.5 meters wide everywhere.
okay,
Calculate the cost of putting up a fence along the outer circle at the rate of 20 rupees per meter.
very good. So, can you just explain the meaning of the question? And I'm not asking you how to do the question. Just try to explain what is given in the question and what we have to find. Just this much.
Okay, so sir, it's given that the length of the track is 330 meter, and
Inner, inner
sir
part,
in
inner circle.
inner part,
Circumference of the inner circle is 330
and so the track is 1.5 meter wide. So sir, here width is given.
okay, here very good. Width of the track is given 10.5 meters. Okay,
Yes, sir. Calculate the cost of putting a fence along the outer circle at the rate of 20 rupees per meter.
very
So
good.
the width is given, so sir, we will find the circumference of second circle.
Outer circle, very good.
So like we will add 10 in it.
10.5.
Yes, sir, 10.5 in it.
In the
And so
radius
that
of our inner
by
circle, we will
20.
get the radius of outer circle and then we will find the circumference of outer circle. Okay, very good. You are right. To find the cost of fencing, we have to find the circumference of outer circle. So everyone, please pay attention. This is the inner circle. Circumference of the inner circle is again given in the question 330 meters. This time, the width of the track is given. Width is given 10.5 meter. Okay. The outer circumference of the question is not given. C2 is not given. Okay. So can we find the outer circumference? We need it. Why do we need it?
Yes,
We need it to find the cost of fencing. Fencing कहाँ पर होती है? On the boundary.
sir,
Okay.
on the circumference.
Yeah. On the circumference. So we need the circumference of outer circle for fencing. To find the circumference, we need the radius. How can we find the radius of outer circle? If we somehow find the radius of inner circle, that is R1. R1 is the radius of inner circle. This is again not given. You can calculate R1 with the help of C1. We can find R1. Chalo, very good. Mil gayi R1. So after finding R1, we will add the width and we can
So it's
get
10.5.
R2. R2 is what? R2 can be calculated if you add the width in R1.
Yes, sir.
So you will get R2. R2 bhi mil gayi. Using R2, we can find C2. Okay, C2 is not given, so we can calculate C2. C2 mil gaya. Then after finding C2, we will find the cost of fencing. So the question is divided in 4 parts. 4 things you have to find out. First, R1, radius of inner circle. Second, R2, radius of outer circle by adding the width. Okay, in R1. Third thing, you will find circumference of outer circle using R2. And fourth thing, you will find the cost of fencing. Okay, start doing the question. Try it yourself, all of you. After completing the question, just post your answers in the group.
Sir, is R1 is equal to 52.5?
What, Sarah?
Sir, is R1 is equal to
Correct,
52.5?
correct. R1 will be 52.5. Correct. We all done? Please post your answers in the group.
So just a second. So I'm just finding the cost of fencing.
All of you send
So
your
done.
answers. Beta, you all are taking a lot of time. C1 330. Look at me. How much time I will take to do
So
the
I don't
question.
know why. So the color of blue pen is coming so black. So sir, that's why I just sent that.
Okay.
But the photo is coming blur.
Which photo?
So the photo that I'm
Sir, of
taking.
the solution.
Sir, whose answer is 7920 rupees.
So I have sent it.
Okay.
Sir, I'm also sending.
R2 is equals to R1 plus width. So R2 will be equals to 52.5 plus 10.5. You
So
get R2
60.
equals to 63 meters, correct? Now circumference of the second circle, 2 into 22 upon 7 into R2, 63.
Sir, I have sent.
So this will be 44 into 9. 9 4 the 36, 36 plus 3, 39, 396 meters. Am I right? Circumference
Yes,
of the outer circle. Now the cost of fencing, you will
Yes, sir.
multiply 396, sorry, 396
396 into 20.
rupees 20 per meter is the rate. So 396 into 20 will give you 800 minus 4, 792. 7920 rupees.
792. Sir, my answer is correct.
It took me less than a minute to complete the
Sir,
whole
I have also
question.
sent them. But
चलो मैं
it is
टीचर हूँ
like
फिर भी
what I
मैं
sent
जल्दी
you.
कर सकता हूँ but I know that you all should have completed it within 3 minutes, not more than 3 minutes. Okay.
Yes,
Try
sir,
to
sir,
improve
I
your
have
speed a little bit.
also sent them.
so I think you have done it in 15 seconds.
Yes, sir.
नहीं इतना नहीं. I think I should have taken
No, sir,
30 to
sir,
40
I
seconds.
was just saying that. So you haven't completed a minute.
Sir, you are the teacher.
नहीं
And
but
you can do fast.
हाँ वही I'm
Okay.
I'm saying the same thing that I am the teacher but so I can do it quickly but still you should have taken less than 3 minutes. Okay, थोड़ा speed बढ़ाओ अपनी. Try to improve it. Okay.
Actually,
Practice
sir,
more and more. You can
solving
improve
the
your speed. There is a very simple way of increasing your speed. Practice more and more. Do calculation with your hands. Don't use calculator to do calculation. It will be very very helpful for you. मैं ऐसे ये मत समझना कि I'm making a comment on anyone, any particular student. This is an advice. Being a teacher, I'm giving you an advice. It will be very helpful for you if you are doing the calculation with your hands. Okay. So question number 12, 11 is your homework. Okay. A piece of wire is bent in shape of an equilateral triangle. So there is a wire. The wire is first bent into the shape of equilateral triangle, and then it was reshaped and made a circle. Same wire. पहले हमने triangle बनाया and then we made a circle. No problem. We can make a circle also. Wire can be given any shape. Can we make a rectangle with a wire? Can we make a
Yes, sir.
triangle with a wire? We can also make a circle with the help of the wire. So we can just bend the wire and make any shape. Okay. So first it was triangle and then it was converted into a circle. Very easy question. Okay. I think you all can do it very easily. The side of the triangle is 8.8 centimeters. Listen the whole question carefully. What is the question? I'm explaining the question. The side of the triangle is 8.8 centimeters. The radius of the circle is r, not given. This is what you have to find out. So this is the question. First, the wire was in the shape of triangle. Then it was reshaped and made a circle. The side of the triangle was 8.8 centimeter. It is an equilateral triangle, so we can say all the three sides are equal. 8.8, 8.8, 8.8. Then it was given a new shape and it was made a circle. You have to just find the radius of the circle. So this is the question. Now the concept. How will you find the radius of the circle? We will use the concept that the perimeter of the triangle will be equal to the circumference of the circle. Can anyone give me the reason why perimeter of triangle is equal to the circumference of circle in this case? Why the perimeter of triangle is equal to the circumference of circle? Why am I writing this equation? Can anyone tell me the reason of this? Very simple reason.
Sir, because the perimeter, because the triangle is converted into a circle, and so the length is not increased there.
Very good.
So
The
is
wire
same.
that we have used to make both the shapes is the same. Wire की length तो fixed है. Am I right? Wire, what is the length of the wire? It is fixed. It is the same wire. So first we made a triangle. So how are we, where the wire is used in making the triangle? In the perimeter of the triangle. Wire कहाँ है? Perimeter of the triangle is the wire. Am I right? Now the wire is made the circle. That means the circumference of the circle is the wire only. So wire is same in both the cases. The length of wire is same. That means the perimeter of triangle is equal to the circumference of circle. Are you all getting this? Any doubt in it?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
The perimeter of triangle 3 into side. 3 into 8.8.
Not the wire.
Sorry?
So because we will change the shape, not the wire. So
Yes,
that's why.
correct. We are not changing the length of wire. We are just changing the shape. So, right? So perimeter of triangle 3 into side, 3 into 8.8. Circumference of circle 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Radius is not given. Find r using this equation. 3 into 8.8 into 7 upon 22 into 22 equals to r. Remove the decimal from the numerator, put a 10 in the denominator. So you will get 42 upon 10. Let me give you a tip. Very important tip. Never divide by 10. Never do simplification when you see 10 in the denominator. Don't cut 42 and 10 by 2.
We will put a point.
Yes. 10 can be used just to change the fraction into a decimal very easily. 4.2 centimeter is the radius. Simple. Okay, just 4.2 centimeter.
They're done.
Okay. Same question number 14. Start doing it, all of you. Question 13, sorry. Start doing question 13, everyone. Same concept, same question, just the shape is different. Rhombus. Instead of triangle, it is a rhombus now. What is the area of rhombus? The area of rhombus is 4 into side. Do the question, all of you, and post your answer in the group.
So the perimeter of rhombus is 4 into side.
Sorry?
So the perimeter of rhombus is 4 into side.
4 into side, yes, beta. Because all the sides of a rhombus are equal, so perimeter of rhombus is 4 into side. Okay.